Welcome to Psychology2. We're going to do a quick review over your assignment. I'm just going to walk you through it here. And basically what you're doing is a video. You will notice in your Blackboard that you will be having a group at the bottom. I'll show you this when we go through the video on walking through Blackboard, and I might even just pop up on this video here a little example. And really what you just have is a group here, and all the group is just for the purpose of a topic. There's no group work. So you may find that your group is development. That just means that that's your topic area, and you will go to your textbook and find the kind of content that fits within that topic. You can pick any topic within that content, or any content within that topic, if you will. So if you're biology and behavior, then that's your area of what you're going to do your research on. And then you need to find two academically valid articles that relate to that topic. Now, I would recommend using the library. Now, you can either go in and ask for some assistance, or you can use the online service. Make sure you use the academic primer and click on the peer reviewed. That will really help you an awful lot, and I'll make a quick little video on what that means in terms of your library resources. Now, your assignment is due week 11, and you have from now until then to work on it. So you do your own research, and you're going to produce an MP4 video. So when you look at your research, just look at it from the perspective about what's the point of view from the authors, what is their main issues, what perspective are they taking, what's the significance of what they're saying in relationship to your topic, why does it matter, and how does this help you clarify your understanding of the topic. So you might want to make some notes when you get your research that helps you answer these sorts of questions, because when you make your video, you're basically going to summarize the articles. I don't want quotes. Just use your own words, because at the very end of the video you're going to post the resources URL, or the APA formatted URL. Now, I would like you to add in your journal, when you post your video, your MP4, that you'll also add your two resources in a PDF format. Now, if you're using the library resources, that's not very hard to do. Okay, so what you need to prepare for is what's your topic, why is it important, what does the research tell you about your topic that you're doing your research on, and how do you think you're going to be able to use this in terms of your personal or professional benefits. Then you're going to create a 5 to 8 minute screencast video. Now, screencast just means that you've got a PowerPoint perhaps, or a Keynote if you're a Mac user, and you've put your graphic and material up there. Now, please don't put a lot of writing on your PowerPoints, just graphics like you see in the videos that I'll produce. And you use a screencasting software. Now, I've posted two of them in this assignment. One is called Jing, and the other is called Screen-O-Matic, and I'll make a video and walk you through how to use that. But you're welcome to use any screen recording software, as long as it can be saved as an MP4. I only want MP4 formats, because it's easy then for me to be able to watch the videos and be able to mark them. If I get them in so many different formats, I don't always have the software in which I can open it, and if I can't open it, I can't mark it. So please save them as an MP4, or use the cloud services like Jing or Screen-O-Matic that they have, that will allow you to create a link for me, in the same way that if you got a YouTube video and you have a YouTube channel, you're able to create a link for somebody that they can click on it and it takes them to your YouTube channel. So both TechSmith and Screen-O-Matic, where Jing lives at TechSmith, enables you to do that, and that's fine. And again, I'll walk you through that with that video. All right, so the marking scheme is right here. Be creative with your multimedia. I don't want a lot of words and text, so make sure you use pictures and graphics instead. Summarize your work. Give me a practical use for the research that you did and how it might benefit you or somebody else. be creative and professional, so try not to do a lot of reading. Be familiar with your work. Talk about it like you've understood it, and make sure that they're academically valid resources. So if you're going to do a quick Google search, you're running the risk of it not being academically valid. It's not credible, it's not reliable. So use the library services. It'll increase the likelihood. If you're absolutely committed to Google, then use Google Scholars. That will at least reduce a lot of the other stuff that could come up in a Google search. Okay? And essentially that is your assignment. So I hope and I look forward to seeing your videos posted in your journal, week 11, MP4 format.